I was craving donuts, so I went to my local Walmart and I got these. Start with the Biscoff one. They were in the clearance section, but I think I got a steal. I love Biscoff. The brownie batter. I love brownies. Mini M&Ms. M&Ms? I like M&M minis more because they're crunchier. I'm gonna try this cute frog one. Whatever that frosting was, I love it. I got the Oreo. I don't think I've ever been disappointed by an Oreo dessert. Now I got the s'mores. Best s'mores donut ever. This next lineup looks still fire. Apple pie cobbler.
Fruity creamy pie.
This might be my favorite. This one with a whole taco on top. Nutella base, and I love Nutella. Taco had this amazing cream and the asteroid donut. This donut is gonna cause me to go extinct. With this whole pound of frosting they put. Now we got the dirt cake. Dirt cake Ben & Jerry's is my favorite pineapple. Love the little dirt crumbs. I love when they add like these little gummies. Now I got the Marshmallow Man. This one is so messy. What?